大家好，今日係4月16號星期三，今日港股開始下跌嘅，恒生指數開始跌150，國企指數跌71點，科技指數跌73點，科技股領跌，阿里巴巴跌2.6%，美團跌2.5%，騰訊跌1.2%，小米跌1.4%，聯想跌2.9%，跌幅最大嘅藍籌，匯豐升1.08%。中芯國際升2.4%，升幅最大嘅藍籌，仲有紫金升1.28%，因為金價創新高。咁去到上晝中段咧，港股突然之間急挫500幾點，因為市場傳咧美國嘅要挾向中國徵收245% 關稅，比而家提高100%。恒生指數跌500幾點，美團跌7.2%，阿里巴巴跌5.2%，騰訊跌3.2%，小米跌5.1%，比亞迪跌3.3%。但係匯豐升1.6%，港鐵升1.6%，新鴻基地產升1.4%，長和升2.2%。上晝收市恒生指數升跌544點，國企指數跌243點，科技指數跌220點，成交1181億元。下晝變化唔係大，港股都係跌500幾點，金價創新高，金礦股升，招金升6.5%，山東黃金升5.25%，但係紫金跌1%。汽車股跌，比亞迪跌3.78%，吉利跌5.7%，理想跌4.9%，小鵬跌7.3%。手機設備股都跌，舜宇光學跌5.3%，瑞聲跌7%，優泰科技跌4.9%，工業電視跌7%。恒生指數收市跌409點，國企指數跌203點，科技指數跌185點，成交2200億元。Hi everyone, today is April 16th, Wednesday. The market opened lower this morning. Hang Seng Index opened down 150 points. Exchange Index down 71, and Tech Index down 73. Alibaba lost 2.6%, Meituan lost 2.5%, Tencent lost 1.2%, Xiaomi lost 1.4%. Lenovo lost 2.9% to lead the losers. On the other hand, HSBC rose 1.08%, and SMIC rose 2.4% to lead the gainers. And the market fell further after opening because Donald Trump threatened to increase China's tariff to 245%. Hang Seng Index lost more than 500 points. Meituan lost 7.2%. Alibaba lost 5.2%, Tencent lost 3.2%, Xiaomi lost 5.1%. Hang Seng Index closed the morning down 544 points, Exchange Index down 243, and Tech Index down 225 points. Turnover was $118.1 billion. The market, there was little change in the afternoon. Blue chips say about the same. Auto shares fell. BYD lost 3.78%, Geely lost 5.7%, Li Auto lost 4.9%, and Xiaopeng lost 7.3%. Handset developer suppliers also fell. Sunny Optical lost 5.3%, AAC lost 7%, QTech lost 4.9%, Carver lost 7%. Hang Seng Index closed the day down 409 points, Exchange Index down 203, and Tech Index down 185. Turnover was $220 billion. Trump threatened to impose 245% tariff. Hong Kong shares fell sharply.